Good morning, guys. I just got to the shop. It's been about a whole year that we've been in here, so I wanted to update you guys. If you've been subscribed for a while, you saw us build the brand new Barbershop, Klutch Barber Co. Just wanted to update you guys on what it looks like now. We got a couple new people here, changed a few things. Heck, I don't know. Maybe you guys just want to see where we're at today. So let's go in here, get set up. Nobody's here yet, so as they start to get here, I will introduce you to some of the new people and show you guys a little bit of how the shop is operating today. All right, guys, can you tell that I'm the first one here every day? I know where all the switches are. That's a little lesson for you guys. We talk a lot about how to be successful in the barbershop, guys, and be the first one in and the last one out. And you guys can get every single first walk-in and every last walk-in, and that will build your clientele greatly. But this is the shop, guys, totally full. The next station that we have is right here. If you guys see this outlet right here, is for another station. So we're gonna have to do something with these. And then where this Easy E painting is another station. So we're gonna have to clear that wall off, put this bench somewhere else if we wanna add two more. And I'll tell you guys another little secret here in a minute on what we might be doing. So you guys see this sign up front, we added this. It was just hard for us to communicate to walk-ins sometimes when we were busy. And this sign kind of gets the point across, tells them what's going on, lets them know that we do take appointments. Also gives a QR code for them to scan and go to the booking app. And it is double-sided so we can flip it. And if we flip it, basically say there's only 5 or 6 of us here and we're all on appointments, it's gonna tell them that we're all booked, and then they can scan the QR code and book an appointment. So just to kind of help us communicate that, they're gonna see that first thing when they walk in and kind of help us out there. Obviously, we still want to communicate to them, but it's going to help us out a little bit with that. At least they have something to read when they come in, so they weren't just totally clueless to what was going on. But yeah, guys, this is it. So we'll do a little walk around. Same stuff up here. I end up putting clipper boxes up here, which is funny because people asked to buy them. Somebody asked the other day if this one came with all 3, and really just for display, guys. Believe it or not, people were taking the product. Every day I came in, there would be some of the product missing off the shelf. So I decided to take product off of there. But here's the shop. So like I said, guys, this is DC. Don't judge him on his crazy good box. I joked with him and told him he cannot use it in here, but I don't really care. We got B's station, guys. She's a Cosmo, so she doesn't have to have the white sanitizer box that we all have, but you guys saw I hooked her up with the power mat. She's got a whole setup going on here. Let's fix that shaver for her. All right, there we go. Got her hooked up. So yeah, we got her the whole setup for the power mat. And here's the rest of the stations, guys. So a few of us got the new stations you guys have seen on my vlog. I got the new station. Philip, Markel and Marcus, and Jamin. So some of the OGs, you know, I guess when we make more money, we were able to go do that. But super nice stations. But you guys can see, filled up the shop. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We don't have a lot of room left. So I told you guys I was gonna tell you a secret. I'll show you in the back in a minute. But the next goal is to go ahead. This TV up here above Philip has a black line through it. So I'm gonna take this TV, put it up there, take this stuff down, move all that over here. I'm gonna be cutting a hole in the wall behind the Coke machine for a door, and I'm gonna build a suite back there. So let's go back there and check out the back, and I'm gonna show you guys where the suite's gonna be. Here's a little photo area I told you guys about. And here's the humongous break room. So guys, the plan is about where this second couch is. I'm gonna build a wall. I have to put a sink in. That's the other side of the Coke machine right here. So basically there's gonna be a door somewhere right here. You will come in. If you have an appointment with me, you'll pop in here, and I'm gonna have my own room about this big right here. So this will be my suite. I'll be able to record content better. I can come in and do things like unboxings and stuff like that without having to have the noise of the shop or have to come in super early like I did today. So I'm working on that. I don't know when it'll be done, but let's get out here, get the station set up, get ready for the day. Guys, when everybody else gets here, I will show you guys some of the day and introduce you to my new guys. So let's get out here and get ready. All right, guys, so I was just talking about being the first one in, the last one out. And B didn't beat me because I'm always the first one in, but look who's the first one in outside of me. And she gets it. So she's the first one here, which I don't know how you guys do it in your shop, but a lot of shops, people are fighting over walk-ins. Really here, it's kind of like, hey, do you want to get it? It's cool, I'll go chill in the back or whatever. But we don't really fight over them. Since she's the first one in, like definitely she's gonna get first dibs on the first one that does walk in, and she's always staying here late. Like, not necessarily late, but when everybody's rolling out 15 minutes before we close, she's gonna stay, and maybe there's a walk-in and she's gonna get it. So just that same attitude I was just talking to you guys about, that's gonna help her build her clientele, and people know that when they come in, she's gonna be here. If I walk in at 9 o'clock and she's the one here, then I'm going to her, I'm not going to the other people. So, but I just wanted to show you guys, B's the newest one in the shop. DC's starting today, but he'll be here in a minute. She's the newest one in the shop and she gets it. So if she shows up early, she's gonna be prepared. She's gonna be able to take a walk in as soon as they walk in, first thing in the morning. All right, guys, second in, I'm gonna let you guess. JT, I can always count on him. So like I just said, guys, he still gets it. He's pretty booked. He doesn't have to be here first thing in the morning. He cares about the shop. He helps me out a lot. Shows up first or second usually. B kind of gets here early. She's an early riser. So I just want to kind of show you guys the process of the shop. You guys can be the last ones in and do the bare minimum, or you can be like JT and B and get in here and set up before it's time to go. So here's my guys shadowing all the way from Illinois. How long y'all drive?
2 hours.
2 hours, guys. Every Friday they drive 2 hours to come shadow. They don't have a really good shop around them, so they asked if they could come shadow. So you guys are gonna see them on the vlog too, shadowing all of us. They just kind of walk around the shop and see what we're doing. So, what you doing, boy? Y'all see it, y'all see it. You did what? You got up at what?
4:30.
So this is DC, guys. He got up at 4. So our license branch, Barber board is an hour and 45 away?
Yeah.
So DC got up at 4:30. There's a time difference when he went there. Got there when they opened, paid for his license. There's a receipt, and now he can get to work. So he about to unload, and hopefully you're gonna get him one first thing this morning. So everybody else, look how many empty chairs there is. DC come in though, he ready to take them all. So yeah, we're ready, we're set up. We got like 10 minutes. Once the shop gets going, it is Friday, guys. It's gonna be booming. We got 2 people shadowing. We got another thing going on. I'm gonna show you guys. DC starting today. So once we get going, I'm gonna set this up, do a little time lapse so you guys can just see kind of how hectic it gets on a Friday at Klutch. So let's get to it. All right, guys, it's the end of the day, 5:59. I want you guys to see, we talked about it all day. Look, my 2 newest taking a walk-in at 5 minutes before we close. That's what we talked about, guys. If you're the first one in, last one out, you have the opportunity to get that. You see everybody else is gone. Markel's still cutting. We're all done, time to head out. And these 2 grab that last one. So, my man DC, what'd you stop for, an hour today?
Yeah.
An hour, first day in the shop. Stopped for an hour. Barely even ate, I don't even know if he ate lunch. I don't even know if he ate lunch. I had to ask him if he was okay earlier because you know he wasn't cutting like that in barber school. But anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like the shop. It's been a year. It's crazy. 12 barbers in here. We can't even get everybody in. I'm about to move and open up some more chairs. I guess we got to move some stuff around. So anyway, you guys know what to do. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Got some dope tutorials coming soon. I got a huge transformation I just recorded. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Catch you guys next time.